Okay, this is a Tanya Tucker song. She's 15 and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring and he's got the keys to her heart. It's just a matter of time. Let's spread the wings, let them fly like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, but love says they will. Leave me crying and one more on the way. There's a wolf at the door with a big stack of bills they can't pay. The clouds are dark and the wind is high. They can't see the other side. They're like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams, that faith they can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, but love says they will. She's 83 and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring and he's got the keys to her heart. It's just a matter of time. They'll spread their wings and fly like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, but love says they will. This song is by Vince Gill. Whenever you come around.